Getting clients on Fiverr involves a strategic approach to showcase your skills, stand out from competitors, and attract potential buyers. Here's a step-by-step guide. Optimize your profile. Create a professional profile that highlights your skills, experience, and expertise. Use a clear profile picture and write a compelling description. Create high-quality gigs. Craft gigs that clearly describe your services, including details, benefits, and deliverables. Use eye-catching images or videos that represent your work. Keyword optimization. Use relevant keywords in your gig titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your visibility in search results. Niche specialization. Focus on a specific niche or area of expertise to attract clients looking for specialized skills. Offer value. Clearly explain how your services can solve clients' problems or meet their needs. Highlight your unique selling points. Pricing strategy. Set competitive pricing based on your skills and the market. Consider offering different package levels to cater to various budgets. Gig extras. Offer additional services as gig extras to increase your potential earnings and attract clients looking for more comprehensive solutions. Portfolio. Showcase your best work in your portfolio to demonstrate your capabilities and build credibility. Positive reviews. Deliver high-quality work and provide excellent customer service to earn positive reviews. Positive reviews build trust and attract more clients. Promote your gigs. Share your gigs on social media, forums, blogs, and other relevant platforms to increase visibility. Prompt communication. Respond quickly and professionally to client inquiries to show your dedication and reliability. Deliver on time. Always deliver orders on or before the deadline. Timely delivery enhances your reputation. Upsell and cross-sell. Suggest additional services or upgrades to clients to enhance their order and increase your earnings. Continuous improvement. Stay updated with industry trends, learn new skills, and continuously improve your services to offer better value to clients. Networking. Engage with the Fiverr community, join relevant forums, and build connections with potential clients.